Look what is coming up. Very early. I never seen Amanita muscaria coming up from the ground this early. The mycelium is producing babies. It's July 13 today. 13th of July. And you see, it's Amanita muscaria coming up from middle of nowhere. Oh my goodness. And there's more coming up. More Amanita muscaria babies. And there's some that is already tried. And if you didn't know, there's a long history about Amanita muscaria. People have used it as medicine for centuries. But of course you have to be careful with this, and please don't use it if you don't know how to use it. And some animals have took little bite from here. I think the animal is tripping now, or is it? Amen!